Welcome to Drawleaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable call forwarding on Android. Now the first thing you have to do is open your phone app. From here tap on three dots, then tap on settings. From here tap on supplementary services and give it a moment. Now from here go to call forwarding, then tap on allow, then tap on voice calls, then tap on always forward. Now here type the number that you want to set for call forwarding. Also, if you want to select number from your contact list, then just tap here. From here select the number and then tap on enable and it's done. Now if you tap on always forward, now you can see in my phone call forward option is enabled. If you want to disable it, just tap on disable and it's done. Now if you tap on always forward again, now you can see in my phone call forward option is disabled. And that is how you can enable or disable call forwarding on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.